time since 2018, national drug overdose deaths are decreasing. That's according to the CDC. However, prescription drug misuse is still a problem. In today's Health Watch, we are talking about Prescription Drug Take Back Day, which is tomorrow. And joining us now is Dr. Melissa Miller, Director of Pharmacy Services at Health One Aurora. Thanks so much for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, so tell us about Prescription Drug Take Back Day.
Yeah, so the Prescription Drug Take Back Day is a fantastic opportunity for the community to come out to any of the HCA Health One hospitals across the Denver metro area. And we've partnered with local law enforcement and the DEA. And people can drop off their prescription medications. They can drop off over-the-counter medications that have expired or that they're not using. And it's a really safe way to dispose of them. Totally anonymous. Most of our locations are drive-through, which is great. You don't even have to get out of your car. You can hand them out the window to us.
You make it very easy.
We try really hard, yeah.
So tell us why this is so important.
So a lot of prescription misuse actually starts with valid prescriptions, and having access to medications that are no longer needed out in the community really increases the risk that we're going to see prescription misuse happen more often. So by taking those medications out of the community, taking them out of your medicine cabinets, the hidden drawer in the back of your bathroom, that's actually going to help protect the community because it eliminates the possibility that those then get funneled into a misuse situation.
And what type of drugs can be disposed of?
So it's any kind of medication. So it can be over the counter, it can be prescription, it can be creams or tablets, anything like that. The only thing we don't take is sharps, so like insulin needles or the lancets that you use to prick your finger for like checking blood sugar.
And how can people find out about the drop-off locations?
Absolutely. So if they go to the HCA Health One website and scroll down to our newsroom, in that section we've got all the addresses listed of the facilities, but all of the HCA Health One facilities in Denver Metro are participating, and it's from 10 to 2 on Saturday.
And you were talking about finding that medication in the back of your cabinet or underneath your sink. So many of us, we do save those bottles.
Yeah.
Years later.
Yes, yeah, and they do have an expiration date. They don't stay good forever. And those prescriptions might not be appropriate still for someone to take years later after, the time has passed for it. So it's really important. Get rid of them, and if the time comes where you need to have another medication, then see a current provider, get a new medication, get something that's within date and safe.
All right, great. Well, thank you so much for coming on.
Thanks for having me.
All right, and remember, National Prescription Drug Take Back Day is tomorrow, August 26th. We'll be right back.